Hello guys, welcome to yet another interesting video on this channel. In today's video, I bring you a website that pays you $12 per action. And you heard that correctly, $12 per action. If you're sure that you want that, then be sure to watch this video all the way to the end so that you'll be able to follow all the steps and as such earn the money involved. But before we get into the video, if you're new to this channel, on this channel we discuss everything money, how to make money online, and once in a while we review businesses, websites, and apps. So if this is something that interests you, please join the family by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also drop a like on this video if you end up getting some value from it. That will help this video in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. With that said, the website we're talking about is playlistpush.com. And don't worry, I have taken my time to do a lot of research on this website just to make sure that anything I'm bringing to you guys on this channel is legit and that it works. I saw the name of this website all over the internet, so I decided to do a little bit of digging, and I did quite a lot of digging. I looked up the website on Scamvoid and the website is safe. I saw when it was created. This website was created about 4 years ago. It has a very good website popularity and it is not blacklisted. I also went as far as checking the domain, the servers, everything. Also checked it on Web of Trust. So this is a very legit website that has been around for a very long time. And if you check the traffic on similarweb.com, you can see this is playlistpush.com. So I checked it on similarweb.com and you can see that Playlist Push has an estimated monthly traffic of about 1.45 million monthly visits. Okay, 1.45 million monthly visits. So it's a very popular website and they do pay out people. Okay, so let me explain the website a little bit. New artists that want to gain some level of popularity bring their music to playlistpush.com, and then playlistpush.com give their music to music curators who have a large audience. Okay, so let me give an example. Let's say James is a new artist, no one knows his music. Benjamin is a music lover. He has thousands of audience that know that he loves music and they listen to any music he recommends. James gives his music to Playlist Push. Playlist Push gives the music to Benjamin. Benjamin listens to it, likes it, gives it to his audience, and then James gets the popularity. Of course, Playlist Push gives Benjamin $12 for that music. So this is exactly the way it works. We are not interested in being James, we're interested in being Benjamin, because we're not interested in the popularity, we're interested in the $12 per music. So if you curate 10 songs per day, that is $120 every single day. And I'll show you where it says $12 per song. If you look here, it says qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. So all you need to do is to review the song. You don't even need to add it to your playlist. You just review the song, tell them what you think about the song, and then Playlist Push is going to send you $12 instantly. So the question now is, how can I become a curator on Playlist Push? So all you need to do is come here that says for creators, and then you choose the one you are. If you're a TikTok video creator, you can pick this one. If you're a Spotify playlist creator, then you can pick this one. A lot of people have Spotify accounts, but the thing is, there is a minimum number of followers you must have before you can be accepted to be a curator on Playlist Push. I think it's about 1,000. You need to have at least 1,000 followers on Spotify. So you'll be saying, oh, I don't have 1,000 followers on Spotify. What can I do? Damn it, this is not for me. Well, not necessarily. Like I told you before, they only allow Spotify and TikTok, and TikTok is even new. Okay, so tomorrow if you see YouTube being added, then you may see more people promoting this stuff. I personally do not have a Spotify account, but it is not difficult at all to create a Spotify account. You just go over to their website, you click sign up, and then you create an account, add a bunch of music to your own playlist, and that is it. Now we need about 1,000 followers. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. So you do not even need to add the song to your playlist. You can either add it or you can choose not to add it. Either way, you end up with the $12. And then how do you become a curator? So to qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So that is what you need to do. So you can just go ahead and get signed up. So you can say sign me up. So it's going to request for your name, your email address, all the stuff like that. You put your phone number and then you put the link to your playlist on either Spotify, Apple Music, or on YouTube. So you can choose any of the three. If you have your following on YouTube and your channel is a music channel and you have a music playlist on YouTube, then by all means give YouTube a try. I think Spotify will be much easier for a lot of people. Now we're talking about the part of getting followers. Okay, now there is this website that's going to allow you to get followers, and I'm not talking fake followers, I'm talking real followers, and that website is picoworkers.com. Now when you get to picoworkers.com, you just click here that says post a job, and then you tell people to go and follow your Spotify account or your YouTube account, depending on where your playlist is. Just create an account either on YouTube or on Spotify, put a couple of music there in your playlist, and then it's time to get the followers. So you come here and post a job, set the job for 10 cents. You're going to pay each person 10 cents. If you look at all these jobs here, this one says just to sign up and you do a survey. Okay, you just sign up and survey, and this person is going to pay you 22 cents. Here, if you just sign up, this person is going to pay you 8 cents. So you see how little it is, and this person has gotten well over 643 people to do this job, but he needs 1,243 people, and he's paying each of them 8 cents. So in total, he's spending about, forgive my math, about $10. That's the total he's spending on this campaign, $10, but he has gotten well over 1,200 people. So this could be you, okay? You can just tell people, go and follow me on my Spotify or on YouTube. We are talking about real human beings now to go and follow you, and you're going to pay each of them. Just pay them 10 cents each, and with 1,000 people, we're talking only $10. So you go ahead and credit your Pico Workers account with $10, and then you post the job. In no time, you get your 1,000 followers, and then you can come back to playlist push and then complete your registration. If for some reason you do not have $10, what you can do is to complete all these tasks here. Complete this first one, gets 3 cents. Complete this one, 20 cents, 8 cents, 14 cents, 17 cents. Complete all these tasks until you have $10. When you have the $10, do not withdraw the $10. Carry that $10 and post a job to get 1,000 followers for your account, either on Spotify or on YouTube. Now, once you have your 1,000 followers, come back here, complete your registration, and then once you are accepted as a curator, you are golden. For every song that they give you to curate, you're getting $12, guys. So if you curate 10 songs in one day, that's $120. That has covered all the effort, sweat, and money that you put in to get your 1,000 followers in the first place. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. A lot of effort went into the research of finding out whether this website is very real or not, and I assure you it's real, and if they accept you as a curator, they're definitely going to pay you. Despite the fact that this is one good way of making money online, I must say that this is not the way I make money online. I make money online with affiliate marketing. And this website, there's no guarantee it's going to last forever, and there's no guarantee they're going to keep on paying you $12 forever. If you want to make a consistent stream of income online, I would recommend you give affiliate marketing a try. I have a free affiliate marketing series on this channel, and I'm going to leave the link to the affiliate marketing playlist in the description box of this video. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.